Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to record your screen using Filmora software. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friend, to record your screen in your laptop or PC, you can use Filmora software. It's amazing software to record your desktop and edit your video and let's do some tests in this program. Okay, that's it. As you can see, Wondershare Filmora 9. Okay guys, as you can see, click new project. If you want to open another project, you can click open project. So here I will open a new one. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, now guys, if you want to record your screen, desktop screen, simply click in the top, as you can see, file. Okay, then go to record media. Okay, record PC screen. Okay, as you can see, automatically it's take full screen. We can also take custom screen, or also guys, we can do from here minimize or maximize the screen recorder. Okay, I will select full screen here guys. Also you can select your system audio to be recorded with screen. Also we can add a microphone to record your voice. Okay, when you finish guys, click here in the red button. Okay, as you can see, preparing to record. Now the screen in the recording state. Okay, let's do something. Okay, now you can press F9 to stop the recording. Okay, that's it. Press F9. As you can see, the recorded video appear here. As you can see, the same steps. That's it guys. Here we can edit the video, trim some section of this video. Okay, also we can put a title, a filter, effect, and more things. When you finish guys, click export. Okay, select here the format for your video. I will select MP4. Here video name test 1. Okay, save to. Here set the destination. Okay, desktop. When you finish, click export. Okay, that's it. It's so easy. Let's close now. As you can see guys, the file test1 As you can see, we can now upload to YouTube or any platform we want. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.